there, it's Dave at No Recipe Required, and I'm going to do another Fresh and Lean review for you today. Fresh and Lean is it's a meal delivery service. They provide kind of fully packaged meals shipped to you. You just heat them up, microwave, stovetop, or oven. I like that they're giving directions for all three. Because I think most people are going to go ahead and use the microwave to do it, I'm going to go ahead and use the microwave as well to heat mine up. Although honestly, I think you probably get better results if you use the oven or the stovetop. Today we're going to do a cilantro vegetable tostada with shredded chicken. Sounds very flavorful, sounds very nice. I can see there's a whole bunch of veggies in there, there's a whole bunch of chicken in there. It takes about 2.5 minutes in the microwave to get this heated up. All you have to really do is, I would peel this label off. Good information on this in terms of like what the meal is, paleo, carb-free, gluten-free, and so on and so on and so on. Nutrition information on the label as well. And then you're supposed to grab one of the corners of the plastic. You could also use a little knife and just pierce the plastic, give the steam a place to escape. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to microwave this up. We're going to come back, plate it up, and taste it. Alright guys, so we got our Fresh and Lean meal fully microwaved and heated up. I find it's a little bit easier to grab maybe a pair of scissors or a sharp knife like that, remove the plastic, a little hard to peel off. There is all of our veggies, there's our shredded chicken in there. I'm going to go ahead and try and plate this up. Ooh, with my asbestos hands, it's definitely a little bit hot. We're going to throw the chicken on one side, we'll throw the veggies on the other side. A lot of red bell pepper in there, some onions, looks like some squash maybe. And there we go. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna snap a picture or two, and then we'll taste this. We'll taste the chicken. All right, guys. So we got our cilantro vegetable tostada with shredded chicken, all heated up here. Clearly a lot of vegetables in there, some shredded chicken. Tostada, you know, you'd see it normally on like a tortilla. This one gluten-free, tortilla-free, so the tostada is in quotes. We're gonna go ahead, dig in. Again, super easy to make, 2.5 minutes in the microwave. The chicken on this one is actually pretty good. It's tender. The shredded chicken tastes like shredded chicken should. Again, I'd say could use maybe a touch of salt. I'm going to go ahead and try it with a little bit of the vegetables in here. There's a bunch of red bell pepper, some squash, some pumpkin seeds, a little bit of cauliflower. I'm going to go ahead and try the cauliflower. This one was pretty good. The vegetables are, you know, again, they're soft. They're a little bit more cooked than I would prefer, but they still have a little bit of crunch to them. They're not too soft. They are, again, they're kind of microwaved. I think this would be better heated up in the oven or on the stovetop. But bottom line, you know, the chicken on this one is good. All of it could use, again, a touch more salt if you had, or even like a lime if you happen to have a lime laying around. A little squeeze of lime over the whole thing, I think would help make those flavors pop. But you know, this one, again, for what it is, not a fresh cooked immediately off the stove from raw ingredients. For what it is, I'm going to give this one a thumbs up. Super convenient, super easy to do. It took literally 4 minutes or so from the moment I touched the package to when I can eat the thing, and it tastes pretty solid. So go ahead. I'm going to give this one, like I said, thumbs up. Give it a try. If you do, please let me know how it goes. I'm always interested in your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time on No Recipe Required. Alright, so that was Fresh and Lean Cilantro Vegetable Tostada in quotes with shredded chicken. This one actually tasted pretty good. Could use a little bit more salt and pepper on there, maybe a little pop from a lime or even a lemon if you've got it. That would make the flavors pop. But for convenience, it's definitely checked all the boxes. If you're looking for a tasty meal in like 3 or 4 minutes, go ahead and give this a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on No Recipe Required.